यहाँ मरीजों की संख्या काफ़ी रहती है। प्रतिदिन नए मरीज लगभग 150 के लगभग नए मरीज आते हैं और 600-700 पुराने मरीज आते हैं।
Cancer can be cured only when the patient comes in a very initial stage. But it doesn't mean that patient coming to us in a very advanced stage or metastatic stage, we refuse them. We even take up those cases. The rationale here is not to cure the patient, but to control the disease. Very early stage where cure is a possibility and a reality, and patients are being cured at Mahavir Cancer Sansthan also. There is not a single case which cannot be treated in Patna. The only thing that you need to have a faith on your doctor. If you're psychologically, you have a feeling that no, because it is a cancer, I have to see a higher center, the choice is yours. So when the patient comes to me, I definitely counsel the patient in a very, clear-cut manner that the choice is yours whether you want to be treated here or not. It's only the psychological satisfaction that gives you when to fly to places like Mumbai and Delhi. In Bihar, I think it's the cheapest hospital patient can ever imagine that a treatment can possible. And that too, the patient gets grant from so many societies, like they get a government fund, CM fund, PM fund, Indian Cancer Society. So that is not an issue, Money is not an issue. Even a rickshaw puller can be treated. It was approximately 60-40. But now when we see the data, it's the reverse way down. The females are becoming more, alert. They have indulged into screening and they just don't want to keep them sticked at home. They come, so probably the ratio of the females has gone up these days.
18 वर्ष के बच्चों का कंप्लीट मुफ्त इलाज होता है, चाहे वो कहीं का रहे, मुफ्त इलाज होता है। इसके बाद ब्लड हम लोग कैंसर के मरीजों को सिर्फ 100 रुपये में देते हैं, जो कि हिंदुस्तान में इस रेट में सरकारी अस्पताल तक में नहीं है। इसके बाद हम लोग धर्मशाला बनाए हुए हैं, सारी सुविधा देते हैं। जो भी मरीज़ अगर मान लीजिए क्रिटिकल है, उनको घर जाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, तो उनको हम लोग फ्री एम्बुलेंस देते हैं। यहाँ तो पूरे बिहार ही नहीं, बिहार के तो मरीज आते ही हैं, नेबरिंग पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश के, पूर्वी उत्तर प्रदेश के, नेपाल से, झारखंड से, इवन बांग्लादेश से मरीज यहाँ पर इस अस्पताल में आते हैं।
अच्छा से हम लोग का तो इलाज हुआ, अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं दिक्कत हुआ है। हम लोग के बताया भी हुआ जाने के लिए।
Success rate depends, deeps down depending upon the stage you have turned up. Your second stage will go down to 60 to 70%, the third stage will go to 40 to 50%, the last stage will go in months. So the success rate is the patient that comes in what stage. So it's the myth that there can be any cancer which cannot be cured in Patna.